Rodney, welcome back to the show. Good to have you.
Good to have you. Good. Appreciate the invite, Sarah.
On the guidance, I think that's what made the strongest statement, because many others are having trouble seeing what's out in front of them. Why are you providing it, and providing one that's more optimistic than the street was expecting?
Well, if you look, it's really what we're finding is the customers telling us they enjoy cooking and they enjoy doing things as a family. 60-some% of our customers say the highlight of their day is the family dinner. So we really believe that will continue even when we get past COVID, and obviously we hope we're on the other side of the pandemic. But it's really all of those things together and the customer connection. And if you look at the things that we've always been strong on, connecting with the customer from a fresh standpoint, the seamless experience, increasingly customers are enjoying that, and the personalized experience. So it's all of those things working together, and really believe the customer's connecting with that. And the range is a little wider than normal, and that was really because of the wider uncertainty than what we would typically have.
What are you seeing from the consumer right now, Rodney, as vaccination rates have picked up in this country? People trying to go out more, I would think, and as more stimulus flows with that recent $900 billion just passed, and more potentially here on the way.
Yeah, what we're finding is customers are upgrading from a quality standpoint, and that's across all customer segments. And we believe when people find out they really love fresh, they really love a little higher quality. If you look at premium wines, if you look at Murray's cheese, all of those things across all customer segments, people are upscaling a little bit for that quality, and it's really the splurge. And we really think that that's what we're seeing. And when people get stimulus money, what we're finding is groceries is an important part of that spending, and that quality upgrade is also an important part of it as well.
Groceries and GameStop to top the list, perhaps. Rodney, when it comes to mask wearing, what's your latest stance, particularly as a couple of states start to alter the guidance on that front?
Yeah, all along throughout the whole pandemic, our focus has always been keeping our associates safe and our customers safe. And we've made well over 30 changes on doing everything we can to keep people as safe as possible. We're going to continue asking our customers to wear masks and our associates to wear masks. We just think it's an important part of the overall process on keeping everybody safe. And we would expect to continue to do that going forward as well.
Speaking of taking care of your associates, Rodney, you have found yourself in the middle of this major controversy over these hazard or hero pay mandates. They passed in Long Beach, passed in Seattle. You closed 2 stores in response. Why did you decide to close stores instead of paying your workers $4 to $5 more per hour as mandated?
Yeah, if you look at the stores that we closed, they were struggling already. And as you know, in the grocery business, we operate on razor-thin profit margins. And one of the things that we're super proud of is if you look at our average hourly rate as a company, it's over $15.50 per hour. And that's up over 50 cents over the last year. And in addition to that, between pensions and healthcare and some other things that we provide that many of our competitors don't, is an incremental $5 an hour. So it's over $20 an hour. And so far in last year, we were able to invest a little over $2.5 billion in our associates in terms of from safety and incremental pay. And $1 billion of that was supporting pension for over 30,000 of our associates. So when you look at everything, we continue to invest and support our associates. Our associates are incredibly critical to our future. And we really think that, we really have asked politicians, do everything you can do to help prioritize grocery store workers in terms of getting the vaccines. And, together we'll get through it. But, those stores were marginal already. And when you have incremental expense where it's not addressing all your competitors, it's only some, they've decided who the winners and losers are. It was stores we just decided to go ahead and close them because we thought that was the best long-term decision.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.